Mulenge Record. Oh, General Makanika. Wala Mulenge. Ozali lokumu wa Sud Kivu. Opesa kibomoi na litia biso. Na mabele ya Minembwe. Okufaki mpona kimia.
General Makanika.
Hero ya Mulenge. Ozali lokumu ya Sud Kivu. Opesa kibomoi na elikia ya biso. Na mabele ya Minembwe.
He died along with many soldiers. We thank those who stood together with our people back at home. Then our men and women, they became strong. Our land was deserted somehow. But when they went there, he brought them together and settled them. I really thank you very much. May our Heavenly Father bless you. You did an tremendous job to this extent. Since that time, they have never ceased to support us. They have continued giving support to us. Up to the extent everybody has understood this kind of work. And other people are still joining this family or group. We thank you. May our God bless you. So we thank everyone. Be strong, calm down. It's not easy. Today in our lives, we remember so many things that has happened. For me, I remember maybe my husband can even come back to life. It was a trouble to us to be hated by our nation. Reason why we are facing this killing. But let us be strong. There is a time where the sun is going to shine. And people will have a time to laugh again. Even though many people will be dead, but other people will still live. God is going to let our people continue living. I really thank you very much. May God bless you. We have nothing to say about our heroes that we remember today. Our Afande, our general, he died along with many soldiers. We thank those who stood together with our people back at home. Then our men and women, they became strong. Our land was deserted somehow. But when they went there, he brought them together and settled them. They led the war. Then when the full time came, they died. Thank you. We don't have the place to actually in our heart. But we thank our God. He left us with a great legacy. Reason why we are still living and we are breathing up to today. We'll never forget you. We continue remembering your legacy. You will continue to remain in our heart. When he departed, we were so desperate. Then we were not able even to walk out. Then we say it is over. Our place in Mulenge is over. But after 2 days, the young men stood up in the gap. They stood up in the gap. That day, I will never forget in my life. When he died, the young men stood up. They stood up. Then they fight the enemy. We couldn't even wake up from our beds. Then we stand and then walk out. Then we say, even though it is like this, we still have some more men who are remaining. Then we thank God. I really thank those men who stood and also stand.